What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. So I just finished putting my new addition on, painted it, welded, got it on there, and I'm gonna let you check it out, how it looks. Check it out. So my bottle will sit on there. Still got to weld my strap here for my chain so I can be able to lock in there. But I got my platform down good, and it slides right back in there. And as you come out, it stops. So that's just a good feature for my bottle. While I'm here, see if I can make a small little adjustment real quick. I'm going to probably pick this bottle up, set it over here. Give an idea what we looking like. Hope y'all doing good out there today. Like I say, I'm just killing a couple birds around the house and getting prepared to make a move, you know, so that way I can utilize everything we got. So give me a quick second. I have to switch this up for a second so I can wanted to show you. So I got it sitting on the platform right now, and once I get my chains around there, the bottle will be here, so that way you can TIG well with the unit, stainless, aluminum, whatnot. And like I say, if you need the bottle, if you don't need the bottle, you don't have to have it. But if you're going to be doing multiple things, I think having this bottle brace under here is very wise. And like I say, it's easy, and you still killing a few birds in one stone. You know, you're doing your flux core, you're doing your wire, your stick, whatever, your MIG. So this is just something, man, to utilize what you got. I know you probably looked at your toolbox that you might already have, and you be like, damn, I didn't know I could do all that with that toolbox. But it's just all about thinking outside the box. Like I say, this is something that I'm not trying to just market and sell. I'm willing to help people make theirs, but you can watch the videos of what I put out on my FabBoxxx and create one of your own. Utilize the toolbox you already invested, especially if you're an iron worker, welder. Most of us have game boxes, so if you got a game box, you most definitely can utilize it and get more out of it. HogOn.